Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are making white sage and lavender soap. Now I already mixed my lye water and I'm going to mix some sunflower oil with titanium dioxide here. I am using this titanium dioxide. I don't remember where I bought this one. I think it was from, yeah, it's Elements Bath and Body. And this is mixable with oil and water, so you can use either one. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more in here. I'm gonna make a mess. Okay, there. And we're just gonna mix it very, very well. All right. So now I'm going to mix my purple. I want to make a very simple design, but I want to do swirls. So hopefully this will work with this fragrance oil. I have never used this fragrance oil before, so I don't know if it accelerates. And this is the fragrance oil that we're going to be using today from Candle Science, White Sage and Lavender. It says that it does not accelerate, discolor, or separate, so we're gonna see about that in a moment. And for the purple, since this is a lavender soap also, we're going to use Matte Mica I Dream of Purple. Just gonna put it in here, and we're going to use my candy thermometer, which I love. And then when it reaches like around 135, I'm going to turn it off. All right, so my oils are melted, and now I'm going to add my kaolin clay. And I'm also going to add some colloidal oatmeal, which is really, really good for your skin. More. All right. Okay, we have a few lumps here, and we're just gonna push them through, and we're gonna mix until everything is dissolved. We're going to add some sodium lactate. I buy mine from Nature's Garden, and this will help your soap bar harden a little bit faster. How cute is my little spoon? Okay, so we added the sodium lactate. All right, so we're going to add our lye water very slowly. We're going to divide our batter in equal parts, and we're gonna color one with white and the other one with purple. Pour it in here. That's fine. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So tell me, how was your day? Where are you guys from? Do you make soaps or just watching out of curiosity? I want to know. I'm curious about that. My day was very good today. I went to buy actually this immersion blender at Lidl, which is a store similar like Aldi's, and they were selling them for $9.99. So I grabbed 4. Don't judge me. I bought 2 pinks and 2 blues, and I was like, I was gonna buy a cuisine art one, and it was 43 something. And then I was like, why would I spend 40 on one if I can spend 40 on 4? And then if one breaks, then I'll use the other one. And yeah, I bought 4. But I have to say, it's working pretty good. My main concern was that it will make like a lot of bubbles, create a lot of bubbles, because I bought a Bella one at Hobby Lobby and it created tons of bubbles and it was so strong. I just didn't like it, so I returned it. And this one is very strong, but it's not creating tons of bubbles, so that's good. I have a little bit of purple in this spoon, but it's fine. Let me see if this is enough white. So I wanted to do white just because it's white sage and lavender. So I thought like, well, we can do some white and purple. And sometimes I notice when we add titanium dioxide, it doesn't look exactly white, but when the soap cures, oops, when the soap cures, it looks white. So it's kind of weird. So I think I can add a little bit more, but since this is good consistency, but I'm just scared that if I add the fragrance oil, it will start to accelerate and then I won't have time to make the swirls. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is gonna get less. Some more. And I'm so sorry if you hear noises. My son, he's 9 years old and he's always running around the house, jumping, screaming. You know, mom life. The things that we have to deal with as small business owners, because sometimes you see these beautiful videos and everything seems perfect, and it's not like that, you know. It's not like that. While I'm doing my thing here, he's screaming, running. His dad is screaming, running behind him. Oh my god, it's a crazy but beautiful life. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use a whisk. I can use the white one. I'm gonna incorporate that fragrance oil really well. And I'm sorry if the camera shakes a little bit. Earthquake! Oh my god, no, that would be awful. Forget I said that. Okay, so here's our mold. And we're going to add a little bit of this. And then a little bit of these. And then some more of these. This is so much fun, guys. If you haven't tried making soap and you're just here out of curiosity, oh my god, give it a try. It's just so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a little bit in here because I'm gonna try to do a very cool technique that I've seen some people do, especially Clover Soaps, I think that's his name. He makes a lot of funny and great videos on Instagram, and I follow him and I'm obsessed with his work. He makes very colorful soaps, very fun soaps, and I just love his personality and I love his technique. So let me see how I'm gonna do this. I'm kind of confused. I want to do like a swirl on top. Oh, I forgot, I have to do the hanger swirl. Whoop. Okay, so we're gonna get our hanger thingy. I'm just gonna, and then again, hopefully that will work. Hopefully. All right. I don't like doing this, but ugh. Just you can feel it. You can feel it very hot in your fingers. Freaks me out. All right, so let's clean up the mess. What do you think if I add gold to it? Let's add some gold to it. Let's have some fun. Let's do that. Okay, so here's my gold mica. This mica is from Mad Micas and it's Golden Buddha. I'm just going to use these. Okay. So we're gonna add some gold. Okay. Oh my god, I'm excited. Let's see if it works. So you cannot make it too watery, so we're just gonna add a little bit of sunflower oil. And let's mix this. Yeah, very thick. Okay, so let me add this white line. And scrape everything. Like guys, sometimes you will see like you have some residue here and you will say like, oh, that's nothing. No, scrape it. Sometimes you can even like, I don't know, I've done it and I have some molds that have like a 4 ounces bar, or I think it's 2 ounces, I'm exaggerating. But guys, I filled one of those with the things, you know, with the remaining batter here. So definitely scrape everything so you can get the most out of your soap. Okay, so I've done the white, so let's see now the purple. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. I don't remember how he do it. I don't think he do it like this, but we're gonna try, and you're here with me to support me when this doesn't work out, because it doesn't look like it's gonna work out. Okay, so now the gold. Let's do 2 lines. Let me see if I can. And then right here. This gold, it's so pretty. Okay. Now with the stick. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Let me practice first. Like, okay, yeah. You guys, look at this. Okay, I'm getting nervous. Let me stop talking. This is so pretty. Wow, there's definitely a technique to it. And it's not easy. It's not easy. But it looks pretty, right? Let me just kind of like do it on here. Ooh, that was fancy. Should I keep, let me keep doing it. Let me keep. Wow. This reminds me of Bob Ross. We don't make mistakes, we just have happy accidents. Well, this isn't what I was looking for, but it's great. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you adventurous? Like, do you like to try new things, or you are more on the safe side? I am more adventurous. I like to do things. If it works, it works, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. That's the way it is. So I was planning on adding some lavender buds on top, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna clean the sides and add a little bit of alcohol to prevent soda ash. And just so you know, the fragrance behaved really well. I didn't feel like it was accelerating or anything, so it gave me time to do my swirls and stuff. So now the thing is, if it really smells good when it cures, and if it's a long-lasting scent, which is super important. I'm so happy. Look, my new blender gave me luck. My pink blender. You know what? I'm not a pinky person. Like I used to be, but not anymore. I used to be when I was like 18, I think. But then I started liking aqua teal, and now that's my favorite color. Look at that. All right, so now I'm gonna put the lid on top, and I'm gonna put a towel to insulate it so it goes through gel phase. And when it's ready, we're going to cut it together.